Tonight I want to ask you a very, very simple question. Do you know what makes you weak in your Christian life? Kamalo ba ka unsa magpaluya nimo diha sa imong Christian life? What activities do you do that make you weak spiritually? Unsang mga buhat diha sa imong kinabuhi na magpaluya nimo nga espirituhano? Unsang klase sa music magpaluya nimo? Unsang klase sa mga TV shows magpaluya nimo? I'll give you the answer. Silang tanan. Television, even if there's nothing wicked, it still weakens you. Bisan walay kadautan, ang TV magpaluya kanimo og espirituhanon. What kind of videos on YouTube or Facebook make you spiritually weak? Do you know? I'm asking tonight, do you know as a Christian what makes you weak? Kamalo ba ka unsa magpaluya nimo diha sa imong Christian life? Listen to me very carefully. Are you listening, girls? Are you listening? Listen to me now. When do Christians make mistakes? When we're weak. Kinusa kita masayo. Masayo ta diha sa panahon sa kaluyahon. Tinon pa? So I have a question. Do you know what makes you weak? Kabalo ba ka unsa magpaluya kanimo? Kabalo ba ka unsa magbutang nimo diha sa situation na mas likely ikaw makasala? Do you know what makes you weak? Next question. If you do know what makes you weak, are you avoiding those things? Kung kabalo ka unsa ang magpaluya kanimo, nagalikay ba ka niya ng mga butanga? Listen now. It just got really quiet. If you know what weakens you, are you avoiding those things? Are you avoiding the places that weaken you? Are you avoiding the people that weaken you? Nagalikay ba ka sa mga buha na magpaluya kanimo? O sama ka ni Samson padayon ra gyapon? Do you know the most amazing thing to me about the story of Samson? He knew what would weaken him, and he did nothing to avoid it.